Wake up!
Wake up.
We're not in our Spideyverse.
I found some loot. We're not in our monkeyverse.
I know, we're not in our monkeyverse. This is 2026.
What? We need to go back, or else all of us die. Wait. I heard something. I heard people talking about we don't die in the water anymore.
No. We gotta go back to our monkeyverse.
Hold on. Before we go back to our monkeyverse, let's go test out the water. Football? Remember this football? Alright, let's play football real quick. Let's play football real quick. Just real quick.
We gotta go back to our monkeyverse. This isn't our right monkeyverse.
We have to go fast. I'm gonna change suits, okay? I'm gonna change suits.
There's up here. There's something here. What's the fan art?
No.
At least Deej is still here.
Monkey art. We need to be like this. But we gotta go back to our monkeyverse.
Yeah, boy.
Let's go back to our monkeyverse. We gotta go back to our monkeyverse.
Come on.
What is this goo? Oh wow. Huh, what is this boat? Oh, we were in this boat. Guys, we gotta go back to our monkeyverse. We were on this boat, guys.
Yeah, but we didn't get to see what happened. We got a concussion. And there was a life event of it. Like an event. I'm like outside. Over with the Titan.
Guys, stay focused, dude. We only got 46 minutes to live till we get to our Spideyverse. Not monkeyverse, I meant. This is where the map says. What's this? Whoa! Whoa! Ah!
Someone eat this.
I'll eat it. Okay, the map says it should show the way, okay? It should show the way.
I said over here. What's that noise?
Somebody must be in here.
Oh, probably another survivor, like us.
No, I don't think it sounds like a survivor.
It sounds like I'm four legs.
Oh!
Whoa, what is that?
What is that?
Jeremy! Two?
Guys, we only got 46 minutes till we go back to our monkeyverse. To live.
Come on. The map says over here.
Yes, I think we're here.
I'm good at parkour.
Yeah, of course we are, because we're monkeys.
No, wait!
He could have survived that. He survived that. He's coming back.
Did he die?
No. Because remember, in 2026, when we die, we could respawn. Back in our day, we could respawn, but we couldn't do anything.
How is he alive? AC name? It's a ghost.
Oh, that's his ghost. I will join you. I'll join you.
No. Come back. Goodbye, brother. No.
Oh. Wait, what? How did we respawn? How did we respawn?
I accidentally died.
This isn't right.
This is not right.
I think we have one more life
back
or
to
two.
the old days.
I think we only have a little bit of life left.
We got like 5 lives. There was 6.
Alright, I need everything.
Here.
Thank you.
And
I
then
need my weird glow stick. Thank you. Any weapons? Okay. Thank you, brother. No.
Yeah, but you forgot bag if you want it.
Oh yeah. I definitely need.
Get those broccoli too.
we gotta get back to our Spidey verse. We don't have long. We don't have long.
You only have like 5 minutes until if we want to reset the timer. Come on, bro, hurry up, you have to speed up.
I know. Wait, where's Cowboy?
He's coming.
Come on, guys, we gotta get back to our Spidey verse.
Alright guys, come on, we have to go. Remember. Alright,
Come on.
calm down. You don't need to be mad. I hate you.
Come on. Guys, we gotta go back to our monkey verse.
What do you think I'm trying to do? We only have like 4 minutes left.
Oh!
I don't know what that was.
We're not to die.
Remember, we only have 5 lives. Oh, banana. Oh, that felt so good. I was starving.
Oh, there you are.
Nom nom.
Is he one of us?
He doesn't look like it.
Oh, run!
Run! Over here!
In the water! In the water!
Guys!
Where is he? I gotta go check. Oh, where'd he go? Huh? He must have got caught. I think he knows how to get out, right?
I'm gonna go see if he is.
I'll wait right here.
Alright.
Jack, hurry.
Wait, what? I don't think he's normal.
What?
Never mind. Should we both go after him?
No, he got it himself.
Wait, is it different?
repeat? Hello?
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 Okay, I thought you died or something.
What'd you do? Where are you?
I accidentally...
Accidentally what? Did you escape from the thing? I died! Former lives.
No!
Okay, gotta go back to our Spideyverse. Oh, luckily I resetted the timer. Oh. Luckily, I'm a real monkey.
Leon? Okay. Yeah, boy? I'm here.
Come on.
Jumping!
Oh! Ah! Ah!
Oh, yeah, boy.
Come on, guys, focus.
Oh, let's go! Pack up. I mean, yeah, but I like it. Come on. Go fast! What's that noise?
I'm not sure.
Don't die. Remember, we only have 3 more lives.
3 more? Huh.
Okay. Woo! Pack up. I'm aging. I'm on aging. What's this? Oh, it's a cup. Guys, I am thirsty.
No, we gotta get out of here. We can drink the water from here. Ah!
Come on, go. Why is your mic covered? Yeah, boy? Yeah, boy. What is that?
Just come on, we gotta go. The map shows the way.
I didn't know what that did. Come on.
Don't touch the water.
I'm not sure what that is. That's still water, I think. I think this is still water.
Come on, guys.
This is still water. This is still water. It's not good.
Come on. Be careful, be careful. Don't touch his thingy.
Oh no.
The wire. Don't shoot it.
Come on.
What is this place? Something caused this.
Wait, I found something. I found something. I saw it. Where'd it go?
Come on, guys. We gotta look for a plug. That's what it says. That's what the map says. No.
You wanna go in the heaven with Come here. Stay with me, yeah, boy.
Come on. Look, the map says look for a plug. Is he okay?
Did he die?
Are you okay?
Yeah, that was just really wet.
Okay, he's okay. He's okay. We gotta look for a plug.
Wait, I can sense something. He's drowning.
Is he?
I'm fine. I'm right here.
Yeah, boy. He's okay.
Yeah, boy?
He must be drowning.
I found the plug.
There he is.
Where, yeah, boy?
He's drowning.
Get him fast. Get him fast.
I don't know where I got it from. Yeah, boy. Let me give you a tank mask. Let me give you
What the heck?
You drowned. We gotta swim back up.
Oh.
So it only lasts for 2 minutes.
Oh, well, luckily I'm an athlete.
Come on, guys. I found the
I got ya, boy.
Help.
Where are you?
Wait.
You can't do that alone. No.
We need yeah, boy.
Yeah.
Yeah, boy? I always come back.
There you are.
Where? Help!
Ah! I'm okay. I'm okay.
Okay, really. Look, there's something we can climb on. No. Oh my god.
We gotta go back to our multiverse.
No! Ah! Yeah, boy. Where's yeah, boy? Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Swim.
Here's the mask. Here's the mask for underwater. I don't have the mask anymore, but it's okay. You're the team leader.
Follow me.
I have a mask, so I'm good.
Come on.
I don't have a mask, but I'm good.
Come on.
You don't want to know what's behind my face.
I do want to know.
Yeah, but no face of them. Guys, come on! We'll be the power of friendship.
Come on, pull! Pull! Why are you not pulling?
I'm dead. Crap. Wait.
Where are we?
The animal company? It's gonna be the new update?
We need to get back to our Spideyverse. That's our way out.
Come on, we almost done.
Come on. Wait, what? No, we made it back to our Spideyverse.
But what happened?
It's too late, guys. Spider-Man.
We can still fix this.
No, this is
We're
what-
monkeys.
We can.
We got it.
Yes.
This is our home.
Yes, but here's the thing. We came here too late. There was a supervillain here, and we didn't make it here.
What do you
It's my
do?
fault, man.
It's not your
It's my
fault.
fault.
colors.
It's not your fault. Wait. 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 No. No.
Help!
here.